Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I'm preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I want to talk about the question which actually raised in the mind of each and everyone. The question is how to make ourselves free from the material bondage and how to not get a birth again and again, how to make ourselves free from the cycle of the birth and death. Here Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Madhava clearly stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari is there, Mukunda is there, Kesi Sudan is there, and we don't have to worry about anything. We just have to surrender unto Lord Krishna. And the most easy, the easiest way to make ourselves free from the material bondage is to perform only and only our prescribed duty without keeping any expectation or material desire. So expectation less karma or desire less karma, that are very important, most important, and this actually lead to all of us to make ourselves free from the material bondage, and we will not associate with this material thing, and we will not fall into the material bondage. So this is what Madhusudan stated, this is what Mukunda stated. There are two kind of karma, sakam karma and niskam karma. What kind of karma we have to perform, and all the कर्मा आर वर्क्स बट ऑल द वर्क्स आर नॉट कर्मा. सभी कार्य कर्म है पर सभी कर्म कार्य नहीं है. सो कर्म and karya both are different, and karya is something like prescribed duty without any expectation. This is why Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Madhava clearly stated in verse number 8, chapter number 3 in Karma Yoga. Madhav clearly said, नियतम कुरु कर्म त्वाम कर्म जाया ही अकर्मणः. शरीर 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 यत्र पीचते न परिसद्यते न तु अकर्मणः. Here Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari clearly said, perform your prescribed duty in order to make yourself free from the material bondage and make yourself free from the cycle of the birth and death. What you have to do? You have to perform your prescribed duty. Perform your prescribed duty. Working is better than not working. Listen my word very carefully. Listen me very carefully. Working is better than not working, and no one can maintain. Listen me very carefully. No one can maintain his or her physical body without performing his duty. You don't have any other option. You have only two options. You don't have a third option. Either you will feed someone or you will not feed someone. Either you will perform your prescribed duty or not, but you don't have a third option. Here Madhusudan clearly said, in order to make ourselves free from the material bondage, so Sankhya Yoga to Karma Yoga to Bhakti Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga to Gyan Yoga, and totally surrender unto Lord Krishna. That is the most required. If you perform your prescribed duty, or not only from Sankhya Yoga, not only from Karma Yoga, but you have to pass from all the four yoga, like a Sankhya Yoga to Karma Yoga to भक्ति योग टू ज्ञान योग, और ज्ञान योग से परमात्मा की प्राप्ति होती है. पार्थ, कृष्ण हियर स्टेट, मेरे विश्वरूप का दर्शन करना ही वास्तविक ज्ञान है अर्जुन. ये ज्ञान तुमको मुक्ति प्रदान करता है. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर नॉलेज, द साइंस ऑफ सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, द मिस्ट्री ऑफ सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. So people, someone finding a soul from outer side, not from inner side. So we just have to understand the soul is within us, and we have to get realized about our soul. And once we got realized about soul, we will not do anything wrong with any living entity, because we at that time we can understand that entire living entity and entire creation of Lord Krishna, entire Srishti, entire world is only and only creation of Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna is situated in the heart of each and every living entity. So this is what we have to follow. This is what we have to understand. The easiest way to make ourselves free from the material bondage and make ourselves free from the cycle of the birth and death is only perform our prescribed duty, whether in a devotion, whether in the material in this material world. Means it doesn't matter whether you will take a sannyas or brahmachari. That is not matter for you. The matter is is only to perform your prescribed duty without being deviated from your path. Here Krishna stated clearly, yo na harsati na dvesati na sosati na kankasati subhasu parityajati bhakta mamam chami priya narah. What kind of devotee is very dear to Lord Krishna? The person who neither rejoice nor lament, the person who neither rejoice nor lament, and the particular person who is equiposed in inauspicious things, whether auspicious or inauspicious, whether happiness or distress, and whether failure or success, only that kind of person is very dear to Lord Krishna. So we have to make ourselves free from the material bondage while means after surrendering unto Lord Krishna, and we have to be dearest to Lord Krishna. We have to understand the potential, the supremacy of Lord Krishna. In Brahma Samhita, Brahmaji clearly stated about Lord Krishna, Ishvara Parama Krishna. Brahmaji clearly stated about Lord Krishna, Ishvara Parama Krishna, Sachidanand Vigraha, Anadir Adir Govinda, Anadir Adir Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam, Krishna Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Madhava is a cause of all the causes. Lord Krishna is the cause of all the causes. Lord Krishna was ancient, even in the present, even Lord Krishna will be in the future. So Lord Krishna is the cause of all the causes. Anadir Adir Govinda, Sarva Karana Karanam. Even Lord Shiva clearly stated about Lord Krishna. Bhakta means if you really want to worship, if you really want to worship any god, then the Shrestha, the supreme devotion is only devotion of Lord Krishna. So we have to surrender to Lord Krishna. That's why Madhusudan Mukunda clearly stated, you don't have to do anything in order to make yourself free from the material bondage, neither perform your prescribed duty. Don't have to do anything. Yes, I have already talked about prescribed duty, karma and all, but this is actually those people who don't surrender to Lord Krishna. But the people who surrender to Lord Krishna and only surrender, that is a more than enough to make yourself free from the material bondage. Lord Krishna clearly stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, verse number 8, chapter number 8, Krishna clearly stated, if the person who remember my single name, my name, even only single time, only one time, I will make himself or herself free from the material bondage, and that particular person will surely get my supreme destination. Only one time chanting, one time name before the death. And death, when we are actually passing from the journey of the death, we are not able to remember the holy name of Lord Krishna because throughout our life we haven't practiced. So we have to start to practice to chant the holy name of Lord Krishna. Madhusudan clearly stated in verse number 66, chapter number 18. Here Madhav clearly stated, सर्व धर्मान परित्यजन्ते मामे एकम शरणम वज्रः अहम तम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयामि मा शुलः. Here Krishna clearly stated, abandon all the religious practices and just surrender unto me. I shall deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. Here Krishna clearly said, I shall deliver you salvation and make you free from your all kind of sinful activities. So far, you don't have to develop any kind of fear. Just surrender unto me, then forget everything, all kind of karma, all kind of responsibility, all kind of accountability in this material world, in this society. You have to forget, just surrender unto me and perform your prescribed duty. Whatever I have instructed you, just follow my instruction. Here, this is why Arjun clearly stated after listening of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjun started to cry, माधव मैं जीता तो भी हारा, हारा तो भी हारा, तो मैं युद्ध क्यों करूं, मैं इस वॉरफेयर में क्यों मतलब इन्वॉल्व हो, मैं इस बैटलफील्ड में क्यों इन्वॉल्व, व्हाई आई हैव टू इन्वॉल्व इन दिस बैटलफील्ड. हियर मधुसूदन क्लियरली रिप्लाइड टू अर्जुना, हत्वा प्राप्तस्य स्वर्गम थित्वा भोक्ष्यामि महीम तस्माद् उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धम कुरु निश्चय. Here Krishna stated, if you get defeated in this battlefield, then you will get a heavenly planet, and if you conquer this battle, then you will get back your Indra's path. then it will be something like a win-win situation for you. So in order to educate the people, in order to make people understand about your potential, you just have to perform your prescribed duty. And to fight this, Lord Krishna here clearly ensure Arjuna that trust me Arjun, trust me Parth, trust me Kante. It's only your prescribed duty to fight this battlefield. This is why Lord Krishna actually drove his chariot in the midst part of the both army, and Lord Krishna ensured to Arjuna, I am going to become your charioteer, and at the same time, trust me, I will never, I will never bewilder you from this material world as well as in this battlefield, because I know about how to draw this particular chariot, whether it is all about a life or it's a battlefield. It's a chariot of battle. This is what Madhusudan clearly stated to Arjuna. This is what Madhav clearly stated Arjuna. So Madhav clearly, Madhav, he knows everything about us. He observes our action. He observes our karma and all. So Madhav is there, Madhusudan is there, Mukunda is there. So we don't have to worry about anything. We just have to leave everything upon Lord Krishna, because Krishna is there, Madhav is there, Mukunda is there, Murari is there. Then forget this everything. Whatever come across in your life, forget everything. Just forget your all kind of pain. And to support the society, to support this Lord Krishna's creation, to serve this society, to serve Lord Krishna's creation is similar as a serve to Lord Krishna himself. So it's only a prescribed duty to serve the society, to serve the people, and always involve ourselves in the welfare of the people, in the welfare of the society. If something is good for the society, some action is good for the society, that particular action is also good for each and every living entity. So something is good for other, that particular thing, particular action is also good for me. This is what Madhusudan stated. This is what Madhav stated. This is what clearly Madhusudan stated to Arjuna. After listening of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Arjun here clearly stated, Nashta moho smuti labda tat prasadam Krishna sthita samgata sandeha karishya vachanam tava. Madhav, whatever instruction you will give to me, you will pass to me, whatever instruction you will provide me, I will follow it. Karishya vachanam tava. Because after listening Srimad Bhagavad Gita from you, my all the doubts, all the delusions are gone. Now I become your disciple, and Madhav, please protect me and please instruct me how to do all such things, and I'm ensuring you, Madhav, that I will follow each and every instruction whichever you will be providing to me. This is what Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana clearly stated, and asked to perform prescribed duty. That is a fight for the sake of dharma. And dharma, what is the meaning of dharma? Whenever we are seeing someone in a pain in the society around us, and we can feel the same pain and the compassion which actually raise in our heart in order to eradicate the pain of others, that is called dharma. Another name of the dharma is compassion, daya, karuna. So another name of dharma is compassion, daya, karuna. So this is what Madhav clearly stated, and this is what Madhusudan clearly stated. So best way to make ourselves free from the material bondage and make ourselves free from the cycle of the birth and death is to chant Harinam and surrender unto Lord Krishna and perform our prescribed duty without any expectation. We all have to perform our niskam karma. Many people are asking about perform, means karma karte raho, phal ki aasa mat karo. So what kind of karma we have to perform? We only have to perform niskam karma without any expectation, without any desire. So because we all have a right to perform a prescribed duty. We are not entitled to get any kind of productive expectation of our karma. So this is what Madhav, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Madhava clearly stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So this is the best way to make ourselves free from the material bondage. I hope you all can understand. If you have any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe.